It's a 2016 Audi A6 3.0T Premium Plus. This one has a fine black exterior and preferred black leather interior. It's factory equipped with an impressive V6 engine and 8-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic. And this 2016 Audi A6 3.0T Premium Plus produces an impressive 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway. A few of the A6 3.0T Premium Plus's valuable features include the MMI Navigation Plus. It has voice control, MMI touch parking system with a rear view camera, and single frame grille. In addition to this Audi A6 3.0T Premium Plus, we have 50 other A6s like this one in stock at the Audi Auto Gallery, located at 21301 Ventura Boulevard, Woodland Hills, California.
The Audi Auto Gallery, 21301 Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California.